reason why we're gathered here today is because there's been an overspend on our grocery bill. The overspend was 27%. One of the line items that we overspent on is condiments.
We needed to practice safe eating, so.
So going forward, there's going to be no more free text, and I'm going to need both of you to turn in your P cards. Thank you, and thank you. All right. I also reached out to a subject matter expert. She's a master data analyst. So without further ado, hailing from Dixon, Illinois, she has a proven history of success in relationship building, vendor management, and invoice maintenance in diverse professional settings. Her key strengths are in process improvement, cutting company costs, and enhancing productivity. She backs this up with several years experience in maximum SAP. I give you Tiffany Pasch, aka Mom.
Okay, ma'am. Now, I'm really excited about what I am going to announce to you. So I have a great plan on how we can cut costs, and I believe we can do this through material master planning. And right here is a cheat sheet that we can use. We are going to create material numbers for all of our condiments, and that will allow us to have each one inventory properly, and then we will be able to source them, so we will be able to reach our goal of cutting our condiment budget by 50%.
Excellent.
If we get rid of her and him, will we also cut the condiment budget by 50%?
But I prefer not to go that route, so.
But it's an option.
It could be an option, but
We need to stick together like peanut butter.
What the hell, man?
It's just kind of a sticky situation. Seriously, I think we need to catch up on our budget, and I truly feel we can get back on track. This data sheet is the perfect way to go. If you just see here on section A, how
All I have to say is I think it'll be a miracle if she can whip us into shape.
how important it is to have the manufacturer name, the manufacturer part number, the vendor name, the vendor part number.
Here's the scoop. Lair Bear took my credit card. If he declines it, there's gonna be a homeless kangaroo soon.
There are many, many characteristics we can put in here. You have color, you have size, you have form, function, the fit. There's just, it's endless. It's so amazing.
Yeah, failure is the condiment that makes success taste so damn good. And I don't care who you are, what social class you are, what your rank is, or what your position is. When a ketchup bottle farts, it's funny.
And once we can get this under control, then we can source our materials and get the price down. And this is going to decrease our budget. And this is
What you you're trying to say it.
Condom.
Yes.
I took.
Because there's a 27% increase in the grocery bill.
Stop doing that!
Seriously?
Seriously!